So once the assembly bench has been mounted, you will select, or you will take the appropriate size end cap. In this case, I will take the L1. So what I will do is I will take my provisional drivers. This is a provisional drivers. This is the tip to connect to the end cap, to take the end cap. So I will take it like this, press it against the end cap, and there I can hold it. At this stage, I will just place it onto the assembly block, push it down, and just give it a little rocking motions to disengage. I repeat exactly the same steps for the second end cap. Push it hard, similar things, lock it, push it down, so like this, it's fully seated, and then give it a little rocking motions in order to disengage the provisional driver from the end cap. What is important to mention is that what you can see here are pre-angulated end caps. There are two sizes, a M and a L. And what you can see here is that there is a 10 degrees pre-angulated end caps. Those two need to be used when you want to achieve high lordosis or high kyphosis. And they need to be assembled, or they need to be used only with 20 degrees and 15 degrees block. So, as a recap, these 15 and 20 degrees blocks need to be used only with this M and S 10 degrees pre-angulated end cap.